Breaking news into our CBS News Texas newsroom. We know that there has been a shooting at a Chase Bank branch in Balk Springs. It happened just off of 635 and Lake June Road. If you're just joining us, this is something that's been playing out since around 9 o'clock this morning. We've had Chopper 11 above the scene showcasing a large police presence of FBI units, Balk Springs police units, and also Dallas police on scene. We've also confirmed that a security guard has been shot. I want to bring in Danica Hill from the desk.
Madison, we've been following this scene for quite some time now. We do have that shot that you have with Chopper overhead. I want to take another look at that. Starting around 9 o'clock this morning, we got reports that there was a shooting outside of this bank, and then that suspect then taking off. But you can see from this shot, we do have a crew on the scene, so we're hoping to get a little bit more information.